Welcome to Silicon Valley Asian Business Talk.
Hello, everyone. This is Roger Chen, and I am from University of San Francisco Center for Business Studies and Innovation in Asia Pacific. And Dr. Liu, welcome to our interview program, and we want to thank you for supporting us. Would you please briefly introduce yourself?
Thank you, Roger. It's an honor to be invited to this forum. I do think what you do is very important to really record the stories of Asian American entrepreneurs, scientists, technologists for their contribution to the world. So thank you. Myself, my education background is that I got my college education from Beijing University in cell biology and genetics. And then I got my PhD degree in biochemistry and molecular biology from Berkeley, from Cal. My professional history is that after my PhD, I worked at a biotech company called Chiron, which got acquired by Novartis 10 years later for $10 billion. That is back in 2006. So at Chiron, I worked in the oncology novel drug discovery group. And so after the acquisition, I started a new career. So I founded the company Eureka Therapeutics, which is now a clinical stage company developing cancer immunotherapy treatment for multiple cancers.
How to manage the risks of our clinical trial products.
As your company is kind of doing 2 clinical trial programs, which is exciting, first of all, best wishes to your product. Hope they are successful because it's not only financial, but I think it's also helping people, right? So, but from business perspective, do you have any kind of plan? Because these are trial programs, you have no control about the results and when the result will come. So from financial perspective, do you have any kind of a plan or strategy to ensure the financial stability or healthiness of the company in case the trial products encounter some kind of uncertainties or setbacks?
Right. So first, let me step back and explain the business model of drug R&D company. It's very
the results of the product, the clinical trial results.
I think it's very different from other industries. Other industry, you develop a product. The big question is the product. Can you sell that product? Would the market accept your product, right?
Yeah.
So drug R&D, when we go through discovery, clinical phase 1, 2, 3, that's a different game. The game is you don't have a product. You're not selling your product at that point because you are still trying to get you're walking through the FDA approval process.
Right.
But what is the game? Why are you doing this? It's you are, by going down that line, down the road, you are increasing the probability of success of your drug.
Right.
So it's a game of confidence kind of thing.
Yeah.
Because, your discovery phase, no matter how good your discovery phase drug candidate is, people give you 10, 20% chance of success. After phase 1, you say they give you 30% chance. After phase 2, 50%. After phase 3, 80%. So that's kind of that's a value increase or appreciation is a probability of success game. Okay. So given that, because of that, you can't wait till your drug, because then we are facing actually every step we go, either it fails, then the probability goes to 0, or it goes up, right? Then you have to, almost like you playing a poker game in a casino. You have to know when is time to out-license, find a partner who can actually shoulder you the risks associated with this process. This partner could be a big pharma, or it could be an IPO.
I see. Now I understand the logic. Basically, when you say license, you kind of just work with the others, they invest in your technology, then
Right.
help you to continue this clinical or searching process, clinical
That's
process,
right. Increase
Or
the
IPO.
probability of success process.
Thank you for watching.